السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. ربي يسر ولا تعسر. ربي وتمم بالخير. اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا. Allahumma Ameen. So we are going to start our today's session. Last week we have finished level 0 with the quiz, and in level 0 we have covered detached pronouns, attached pronouns, recognitions of verb in past tense, past, present, future, imperative, negative imperative, order and nahi, subject, object, and verbal noun. And then the most important, most commonly used word in Quran, there was a list. It's still there. So I would just ask each and everyone that we should just have this most commonly used word list on our fingertips. It will make our work very easy to translate. If you see any single ayah, you will find these words coming there multiple times. So it will make our work very easy that if we know all these commonly used word meaning, then the remaining will be the verb recognition and noun. And that will be just a vocabulary. And we are building vocabulary in every class, and all the words we are using in our reference examples, they are taken from Quran. So this, and after most commonly used word, we have done this verb table fa'ala. This is very important table. Throughout the course, we will take this as a template. This will be a template. And here in this table, we have seen that when we take one word, if we know the first word, Madi, third person singular, this is the starting verb. There are 3 letters. If we know that, then we change its shape. Its shape is changing. Sometimes how it's changing? By putting a letter at the end, or in Mudari case, we are putting a letter at the beginning and at the end, and its meaning gets changed. Its time, its tense, and doer, everything will be changed here. Like this is fa'ala. Waw is ended. If we add the waw here, fa'alu, ta, tum, tu, na. This is the fixed thing. Always we have to add these words. If we knew the first 3 letters word, then it will be easy for us. U, ta, tum, tu, na. And this also give us the translation that if u, that is basically the doer is they, ta, you, tum, you all, tu, I, na. Hidden doer is there inside doer of that. There is no need to write he separately, or just it is every he, they, you all, I, we. They are inside of that, and we will recognize it by these ending letters. Similarly, here in Mudare, it started with ya. Always we put ya, and in the plural case, ya plus una, they, he, they. Ta in the beginning, this will be you. Ta plus una, you all. Hamza, ah, the sound ah, Hamza is coming in the beginning. That is I of Mudare. When we say Madi, it is past. When we say Mudare, it is present and future together. And then we have Na. So similarly, we have here if'al la taf'al. If'alu la taf'al. And then this is Amr, imperative, negative imperative. And then we have doer. This is also called subject, object, and verbal noun. If we look at the table, and this table will be there, it will remain there throughout the course, but we should know that it has 7 columns. In the first column, there is Madi, past, Mudare, present and future together, Amr, imperative, negative imperative, Amr, order, and then we have Ismul Fa'il, Ismul Maf'ul, and Masdar. Here, Madi, Mudare, Amr, and Nahi, this is verb. and fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar, this will be noun. So this is very important. So we have, this is verb, madi, mudare, amar nahi, and fa'il, subject, maf'ul, object, masdar, verbal noun. These will be the nouns. Okay. So last week when we started this table, if you see here, fa'ala, yaf'alu. So three letters word, one, two, three. If we take ja'ala, it will be the same. Ja'ala yaj'alu. Jama'a yajma'u. Ba'asa yab'asu. Dhahaba yadhhabu. Rafa'a yarfa'u. And nahara yanharu. So before starting the next one, let me ask someone to practice here. I will ask Ayan. Okay, Ayan is not responding. Let me go to Anusha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Anusha, can you please take the word dhahaba and fit it here in the table, please?
Okay. ذهب ذهبوا ذهبت ذهبتم ذهبت ذهبنا يذهب يذهبون تذهب تذهبون أذهب نذهب اذهب لا تذهب اذهبوا لا تذهبوا ذاهب ذاهبون ذاهبين مذهوب مذهوبون مذهوبين ذهب.
So this is dhahaba yadhhabu. Similarly, rafa'a yarfa'u. Ja'ala yaj'alu. So this was in level 0 we did. And this is we are doing three letters verb. In level 1 and 2, we will also study the three letters verb. 1, 2, 3. Starting verb. So it is three letters verb. And then we can just make the table, complete table. In level 1, this is what we have to discuss in level 1. We will have 6 chapters for three letters verb. If you look at this, only look at the Madi, you will see here Fataha, Daraba, Nasara, Samia, Hasiba, Karuma. There is no change. If you look at here, we have the all verbs, three letters verb. But then what's new here we will learn. There is a new things. So here we will discuss 6 chapters. In every chapter we will see different pattern of this three letters verb. Fi'il, thulathi, mujarrad. Three letters only. Just everybody please focus here. If you first look at here, we have three letters. Fa, ta, ha. And just look at the second letter here. Just you have to look at the second letter. Here we have ta. And what is haraka on that? That is called fataha. Fatha. Fatha. Or also we say zabar in other way. Similarly, then same ta is comes here, and you can see haraka is that is also fatha. Okay, this is already we done. The second letter ta, it has fatha. This is same. Just try to find ta in mudare. The second letter, that is ta. Here second letter ta, and here it is ta, and there is fatha. We will not understand until we are not going to see any other pattern. Now look at the second pattern here. Same here, the second letter. What is second letter? That is a ra. And what is haraka on that? Fatha. When the same daraba, when it comes here, there is a change on that ra. There was fatha, zabar. When we go here and look at the same letter, you will see here we have kasra. Keep going and let's go to see the next example. And we will see here nasara. What is there? There is fatha, zabar again. And then we see here, if we go to fi'lul mudare, that sod, it has fatha here. Here it becomes dhamma. If you look at, just focus on the second letter here, it is fatha, 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 kasra, fatha, dhamma. So second letter, the pattern is changing. So this is how, and we have differentiated these three letters word. in Quran they will come in six different way, and that six different way we have six chapters. First is Fatha, 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 Kasra, Fatha, Dhamma. Keep going. Now starts with Kasra, the second letter. I am not looking at the first letter. Second letter means, what is second letter here? Meme. And the meme have the letter Kasra. And the same meme, if we go here, and it has Fatha, it is changing. And if you go to the next one, again, second letter is seen, the red highlighted, Kasra. And same here, the seen has the Kasra. And then Ra, it has Dhamma. And here, this is Ra. Why we have taken these words? These will be the representative word for every pattern. Fataha, Fataha. When I say this is Fataha, Yaftahu, and Fataha, that Fataha is basically Haraka. This Fataha is a verb. So Fataha, Yaftahu. What is the pattern here? Fatha, Fatha. Why? Because the second letter has Fatha, and the same letter Ta, when it comes here, so it will be Fatha. That's why I will say Fatah, Fataha, Yaftahu. Okay. Then I will say the pattern. What is the pattern? Fatha, Fatha. And then if we go to the second one, it is representative word is Daraba. So we will name the chapter as Daraba. So Daraba, Yadribu, Fatha, Kasra. Why? Second letter is Fatha. All those verbs which will follow this pattern, that second letter Fatha and then Kasra, that will come in Bab Daraba. If we go to Nasara, Yansuru, Fatha, Damma, Kasra, Fatha, then Kasra, Kasra, Damma, Damma. So today we will start with the first chapter. What will be the first chapter? Let's say first we are taking the representative word here in the first chapter, that is Fataha. So the chapter name will be Bab Fataha. Bab means chapter, and represent, just to remember, to make it easy, whenever Bab Fataha will be Fataha, Fatha, Fatha. Fatha means this one. When I say Fatha, this is basically Zabar, Zabar, Fatha, Fatha. So level 1, chapter 1, Bab Fataha. Then I say Madi and Mudare. Fataha, Yaftahu. Then I will say the pattern. The pattern will be Fatha, Fatha. For those who don't follow this Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, I knew that we, especially in some region, we follow this Fatha as Zabar, Kasra we say Zir, and Dhamma and Pesh. Because we are following the Quran that is in Arabic, so Zabar will be called Fatha, Zir will be called as Kasra, and the Pesh will be called as Dhamma. Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. So again, level 1, chapter 1, Bab Fataha. This is the name. Next thing is I will say Madi and Mudare. Fataha, Yaftahu. Next thing is, what is the pattern? Fatha, Fatha. The second letter, what is Haraka? That is Fatha, Fatha. And now the last thing will be the meaning of that verb. Because if I know the meaning of first verb, I can translate all those verbs coming in the table are noun. Fataha means he opened. So I will ask someone to repeat, and then everybody please just focus. Ali Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please say it? Level 1.
Level 1,
Next.
Zabar Zabar.
No.
Chapter
Level 1, then you have to
level
say
1
chapter
chapter
1.
level 1 chapter 1 Fataha Yaftahu
No. What is the
Zabar
chapter
Zabar.
name?
Chapter 1 Fataha
Bab Fataha.
Fataha
Okay, listen me,
Fataha
Ali.
Yaftahu Zabar
Ali.
Zabar.
Ali, listen me. Level 1, chapter 1. Bab Fataha. Fataha Yaftahu. Fatha, Fatha. Fataha means he opened. Repeat it, please.
Level 1 chapter 1 Bab Fataha Yaftahu Zabar Zabar. Fataha means he opened, he got
Open.
victory.
Okay. Okay, now let us make it standard that we will use not zabar zabar. We will say it fataha fatha. That is an Arabic universal word. So we use fatha. We are doing everything in Arabic. Why we take it as in Urdu? So instead of zabar zabar, it is fatha fatha. That's three things: fatha, kasra, damma. So fatha fatha, and fataha means
Huda means he opened, he got
he
a
opened.
victory.
Okay, he got victory. Thank you. Okay, I will go to Tamia.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Repeat it, whatever I said.
Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fataha, Fataha, Yaftahu, Zabar, Zabar. Fataha means he opened.
Can you please say instead of zabar zabar, it will be
Fatha, Fatha.
fatah fatah. Yes. So again, can you please repeat it?
Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fataha, Fataha, Yaftahu. Fatha, Fatha, Fataha means he opened.
Fataha means he opened. Yes, thank you. Mohsin.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Assalamu alaikum wa
Walaikum
barakatuh.
salam. Go ahead, please.
Fataha,
First say
yeah,
level 1.
level 1.
Yes.
Fataha,
Chapter number 1.
okay, sorry. Level 1, chapter number 1. Fataha,
Bab fataha.
Bab Fataha.
Now say.
I'm sorry. Bab Fataha Yaftahu.
First, Bab fataha is just a name. Then you have to say Madi and Mudari, please.
Oh, okay, sorry. Should I start from the beginning again, sir? Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead again. Level
Okay.
1.
Level 1, chapter 1. Madi
Bab
Fataha.
fataha.
Bab Fataha Madi.
No, I did not say Madi. Bab fataha. Say it.
Bab Fataha.
And then what we have to say? Madi and Mudare. Fataha yaftahu.
Fataha Yaftahu.
And what is the pattern?
Madi Mudari'.
What is the pattern?
Fataha Fatha.
Fatah, fatah. Madi Mudare, it is understood this is Madi and Mudare. Again, Mohsen, you have to repeat after me. Level 1.
Level 1.
Chapter 1.
Chapter 1.
Bab fataha.
Bab Fataha.
Then, now I will say Fataha yaftahu.
Fataha Yaftahu.
And the pattern is Fatha, Fatha.
The pattern is Fatha Fatha.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Jawad. Okay, Jawad is not responding. Jawad, you did?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fataha, Fataha Yaftahu, Zabar, or sorry, that's
Fatha.
Fatha, Fatha is a pattern.
And what is the meaning of Fataha?
Fataha means he opened.
He opened. Again, level 1, chapter 1, Bab Fataha. Fataha yaftahu. Fatha, fatha. And Fataha means he opened. This is the chapter 1. And if we go here, now we will go for it. There will be 6 chapters. So first we have to make our habit to say it. Whenever start, I will start the chapter number 1, level 1. Chapter number 1. There will be 6 chapters. Then I will have to say the chapter name, that is Bab Fataha. Bab means chapter. Bab door, but here we say chapter. Fataha means Fataha because this is the representative word for all those. And what is the pattern? You have to look at the second letter. The second letter has Fatha, and the same second letter here have the Fatha. So pattern will become Fatha, Fatha. And then we have to say chapter Fataha means he opened, he got victory, he decided. There are multiple meanings sometime of verb. That doesn't matter. You can even take the one meaning if there is a problem. He opened. Here we will take Fataha means he opened. And then we will complete the table with the same thing. So Burak. So everybody please focus. Just it's a matter of practice, nothing else.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Go ahead.
Um,
Bab, level 1, Bab Fataha.
Level 1, chapter number.
Level 1, chapter number 1, Bab Fataha. Fataha Yaftahu, Zabr Zabr,
No,
Fataha,
don't say zabar, please.
Fatha Fatha.
Fatah, fatah, yeah. Why we say fatah, fatah here? Can you please explain it?
Because the second letter is Fatha,
And the same, what is second letter here?
Ta,
Ta, it has fatah. And the find here ta, what it has?
Fatha,
So it will be
Fatha, Fatha.
fatah, fatah. So fataha means,
He opened, he got victory, or he decided.
okay, now complete the table with translation, please.
Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you open. Fatahtum, you all open. Fatahtu, I open. Fatahna, we opened. Yaftahu, he opened or he will open. Yaftahuna, they open or they will open. Taftahu, you open or you will open. Taftahuna, you all open or you all will open. Aftahu, I open or I will open. Naftahu, we open or we will open. Iftah, open. لا تفتح, don't open. افتحوا, you all open. لا تفتحوا, you all don't open. فاتحون, فاتح,
No, say complete.
فاتحون, the one who opens. فاتحون, فاتحين, those who open. مفتوحون, the thing which is being open. مفتوحون, مفتوحين, those things that which are being open. Fat, to open.
To,
Fathun, open.
to. If I am opening a door, who is fatihun?
The one who is
That
opening.
is me, myself is. And what is
Yeah.
maftuhun in that case?
The door which is being
The
opened.
door which is being opened. So it is fa'il maf'ul. Okay, thank you. So let me go to the next participant. I see here brother Rashid Aziz. I think if he's
level 1, chapter 1, Bab Fataha, Fatha, and Fataha mean he opened. Fataha Yaftahu.
first you have to say fataha yaftahu and then say pattern.
Okay, yeah, Fataha Yaftahu. It's
Fatha, fatha.
Fatha.
And what is the meaning of fataha?
Fataha, he opened.
Okay, now your task is to fit here. We already did these words. Let's take rafa'a. Rafa'a means he raised. Exactly fit it ahead here with translation.
Okay. Rafa'a, Rafa'u,
With
Rafa'ata.
translation, Rashid bhai.
Oh, okay. Rafa'a, he raised. Rafa'u, they raised. Fatahta, you raised. Fatahtum, you.
Rafa'ata.
Rafa'ata, sorry. Rafa'ata, you raised. Rafa'atum, you all raised. Rafa'atu, I raised. Rafa'ana, we raised. Yarfa'u, he raises or he will raise. Yarfa'una, they raise or they will raise. Tarfa'u, you raise or you will raise. Tarfa'una, you all raise or you all will raise. Arfa'u, I raise or I will raise. Narfa'u, we raise or we will raise. Irfa', you raise. La tarfa', don't raise. Irfa'u, you all raise. La tarfa'u, you all don't raise. Rafi', the one who raises.
Rafi'un. Ending sound is important. Just
Rafi'un, the one who raises. Rafi'una, Rafi'ina, those who raise. Marfu'un, the one who is being raised. Marfu'una, Marfu'ina, those who are being raised. And Raf'un, to raise.
To raise. Thank you very much. So this is first. What we learn new thing, just this. Level 1, chapter 1, Bab Fataha. Fataha yaftahu. Fatha, fatha. Fataha means he opened. This is chapter 1. Remaining verbs we already practiced before in level 0. But because it is same here, we are repeating. So we have to go to the breakout room and practice it. Inshallah. And the meaning.
Jazakallah khairan. The rooms are open. You can join, please. Those who did not get an invite, just please stay here. I will share my screen. Okay. So now we are on level 1, chapter 1. It's called Bab Fataha. Bab Fataha. Sister Afia, can you please tell us what is this, what we have learned today?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
With which word? Fataha?
Fataha, yeah.
Level 1, Bab Fataha. Fataha. Fataha
So what is the
yaftahu.
indication? We should always remember and say the
Fataha, Fataha.
Fataha, Fataha, yeah.
Fataha, Fatahu, Fatahta, Fatahtum, Fatahtu, Fatahna. يفتح يفتحون تفتح تفتحون أفتح نفتح.
Okay, thank you. So what is Fataha means?
Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they all opened.
If you say they, you don't need to say all because they is plural in English. They all, they opened.
Okay. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you opened. Fatahtum, you all opened. Fatahtu, I opened. Fatahna, we opened. Yaftahu, they will open. You will open.
No. Yaftahu.
Yaftahu, you open.
No, it is he. It is always from
Yes,
the third person.
He
He, singular. He open or he will open.
He will open or he open. يفتحون, you all open.
What is the plural of he? They.
They, sorry, yes.
They open or they will open.
يفتحون, they open or they will open. تفتح, he open.
No, taftahu, now it is they. So the first two words are he and they, then you and you. So you have to remember the sequence, then it becomes easy. He, they, you all, then I and we.
Okay. تفتح, you open. تفتحون, you all opened. أفتح, I open. نفتح, I will. You.
What is the plural of I? We.
We open or we will open.
Thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Sister Maryam Batul. Iftah, start from Iftah.
Level 1, Chapter 1. Fataha Yaftahu.
Zabar. Or Fatah.
Fatha. Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you opened. Fatahtum, you all opened. Fatahtu, I opened. Fatahna, we opened. Yaftahu, he opened. Yaftahuna, they opened. They opens or they will open. Taftahu, you opens or you will you open or you will open. Taftahuna, you all open or you all will open. Aftahu, I open or I will open. Naftahu, we open or we will open.
Thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Sister Umayya Nabil. Sister Zainab.
Yes.
Same thing.
Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you opened. Fatahtum, you all opened. Fatahtu, I opened. Fatahna, we opened. يفتح, he opened, he will open. يفتحون, they open, they will open. تفتح, you open, you will open. تفتحون, you all open, you all will open. أفتح, I open, I will open. نفتح, we will open, we all will open.
We all, we don't need to say we all, it's plural. Now we open and we just say all for when you use you, na, because in English, you can be singular, you can be plural. Na? So we have to differentiate. That's why we say when it is plural, you all. For they and we do not need to say all. Na? Okay, thank you, Jazakallah khair. And Sister Rahat Mumtaz. So, Sister Rahat. Okay, Sister Zainab.
Yes.
Can you please do with ja'ala? Ja'ala.
جعل, he made. جعلوا, they made. جعلت, you made. جعلتم, you all made. جعلت, I made. جعلنا, we made. يجعل, he makes, he will make. يجعلون, they make, they will make. تجعل, you make, you will make. تجعلون, you all make, you all will make. أجعل, I make, I will make. نجعل, we make, we will make.
Very good. So what is this chapter called?
Chapter 1.
Name?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's written on top of the slide. Bab Fataha. It is chapter 1, Bab Fataha, and the indication is Fatha remains Fatha, Fatha, Fatha. Because Ta has a Fatha and here is also Fatha. Okay, thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Okay, welcome back. We are on our main room again. So inshallah, we are starting our next session. So just an announcement that please make sure to mark your attendance after the class. Na? It's very important.
One more thing, Dr. Sab. In the breakout room, there should not be a listening mode. They should be active. This is the purpose of breakout room. I see that in some of the breakout room, half of the class remains in silent mode.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. And if you are in a silence mode, you should be active and participating during the breakout rooms. Okay, thank you.
Brother.
Walaikum salam. Yeah.
Please, could you remind us how to mark the attendance again? Please.
I will remind you after this session, inshallah. Please stay with us. Okay. Brother Shabazz, inshallah, is going to teach us. Over to Brother Shabazz.